Roast turkey. After drawing the turkey, rinse out with several waters, and in next to the last, mix a teaspoonful of soda. The inside of a fowl, especially if purchased in the market, is sometimes very sour and imparts an unpleasant taste to the stuffing, if not to the inner part of the legs and side bones. The soda will act as a corrective and is moreover very cleansing. Fill the body with this water, shake well, empty it out, and rinse with fair water. Then prepare a dressing of breadcrumbs mixed with butter, pepper, salt, thyme, or sweet margarine. You may, if you like, add the beaten yolks of 2 eggs. A little chopped sausage is esteemed an improvement when well incorporated with the other ingredients. Or mince a dozen oysters and stir into the dressing. The effect upon the turkey meat, particularly that of the breast, is very pleasant. Stuff the craw with this and tie a string tightly about the neck to prevent the escape of the stuffing. Then fill the body of the turkey and sew it up with strong thread. This and the neck string are to be removed when the fowl is dished. In roasting, if your fire is brisk, allow about 10 minutes to a pound, but it will depend very much upon the turkey's age whether this rule holds good. Dredge it with flour before roasting and baste often, at first with butter and water, afterward with the gravy in the dripping pan. If you lay the turkey in the pan, put in with it a teacup of hot water. Many roast always upon a grating placed on the top of the pan. In that case, the boiling water steams the under part of the fowl and prevents the skin from drying too fast or cracking. Roast to a fine brown, and if it threaten to darken too rapidly, lay a sheet of white paper over it until the lower part is also done. Stew the chopped giblets in just enough water to cover them, and when the turkey is lifted from the pan, add these, with the water in which they were boiled, to the drippings. Thicken with a spoonful of browned flour, wet with cold water to prevent lumping. Boil up once, and pour into the gravy boat. If the turkey is fat, skim the drippings well before putting in the giblets. Serve with cranberry sauce.